dear children, myself Mrs. Monali Patil. Today we are going to learn science subject standard 7th in this chapter number 1, the living world, adaptations and classification. Okay. So first of all we are going to recall the diversity in the living things. So in a simple language, diversity means variety. So I am going to ask you a question. In what different ways is the diversity in the living thing seen? You have to think on this question. The diversity in the living things is seen due to their different shape, size, color and different structure of the body. After this, friends, we are going to see the diversity in plants. A great variety of plants is found on the earth. Some plants are flowering plants, some plants are non-flowering plants, as you can see around your surrounding. Some plants are found in deserts which have a scarcity of water. So scarcity means shortage of water or lack of water. According to that, plants have made changes in their structure. Okay. Some plants grow in water. However, some plants found only in the snowy regions. Some plants cannot be seen without a microscope because they are invisible. We cannot see them with our naked eyes, whereas some are huge in size. All these plants we are seeing around us. Like plants, animals too show diversity. So we will see now diversity in animals. Some animals are unicellular and others are multicellular. So here unicellular means single celled animals and multicellular means many celled animals. Okay. Some animals are vertebrates whereas others are invertebrates. So as you can see in the picture, vertebrates means those animals who are having backbone and invertebrates means those animals who don't have backbone. Understood? This world is full of variety of animals and according to their living place, they are categorized into different groups. Understood? So I will tell you the different groups of the animals. So first is aquatic. Those animals who are living in water are called as aquatic animals. Another one is terrestrial. Those animals who are living on land are called as terrestrial. Next is amphibians. Amphibians means those animals who can live on both land also and water also. Next is reptilians. Reptilians means snake-like animals. Next is aerial, those who can fly in the air or living in the air, etc. Got it? These observations give rise to the question, how did this great diversity come into being? So you have to think on this question. How did this great diversity come into being? Friends, are the plants and animals from Kashmir and Rajasthan of the same type? Can you elaborate on any differences between the two? Elaborate means you have to tell the differences in detail. Understood? So Kashmir and Rajasthan are geographically different regions. Everyone knows this. Both the places are different. In their climatic conditions, they are differ from each other. Therefore, the flora means plants and the fauna means animals is also different in these two places. Okay, animals in Kashmir are with thick fur because their body is changed to suit the cold climate. Rajasthan being the desert, so animals like camel are seen here. According to the local conditions, plants and animals show different characteristics. Got it, everyone? I hope you all understood this. In snowy region, there are coniferous trees like pine and deodar. Like this, cone-shaped plants are observed in Kashmir. And in deserts like Rajasthan, plants like cactus and acacia are seen. So the common name of acacia is babul. The camel, being a desert animal, cannot be inhabit colder regions of Kashmir. Understood? Okay friends, now next we are going to see adaptations. So a very simple definition is given over here. Gradual changes occur in the body parts and also in the behavior of organisms which help them to adjust to their surroundings. Such changes are called as adaptations. You can see changes or modifications. Understood? Whatever changes we can see in the body parts of the animals or in the behavior of the organisms to adjust to their surroundings are called as adaptations. Got it, everyone? So I hope you all understood till here this topic. Okay friends, next topic